Oh, g'day everybody again. Today is pizza time, yeah. So, the main thing with pizza time is everybody's tastes are their own. So, if you don't like what I'm putting on it, that's alright, just put on whatever you want. But, I cheat, okay. Bit of flatbread. Yeah, it's the easiest way for your base. And I want barbecue. And I use the Eater barbecue sauce again. You can use tomato sauce, tomato juice, whatever the heck is your flavor of the month. So sprinkle a bit of that on. Swish it around. If it goes off the edges, it'll burn. So try to keep it sort of on the thingo so it doesn't spread off the sides. Give it a good leathering, just miss the edges a bit. Yummo. Now, it probably is easier to just buy some grated cheese, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm just going to grate some on. Now, normally on most pizzas, they don't put cheese on the bottom, but I like to. Just enough so it helps bond the food, the toppings on. Doesn't have to be much, just a little bit for the bottom. Yeah, that'll do. Now, I like my pepperoni, but I don't have any. Or salami. I prefer hot, but I couldn't get any this morning. Shop that I went to didn't have any left. So I got some Hungarian salami. Just put that around. Yeah, you don't have to cover it as much as I do, and then I sort of tend to have the meats in the bottom, eh? I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Here, a bit of mince, but I got turkey mince, so this is like almost a bit like a meat lovers, eh? Just sprinkle in the gaps. It doesn't have to be all over the mince. Yeah, that'll do. And, yep, I don't mind my chili if I do say so myself. So this might get it a bit hot, but I don't have to, how would you say, have too much. But I have a solution to stop it from being too hot later anyway. Just, you gotta mild it down a bit, eh? So a couple of chili bits, probably too big. I'm gonna suffer for it later. Might get myself a burning ring of fire. Yeah, a couple of bit more. That'll do. There. That's enough of the chili. Now, mushroom. I like to get the big flat mushrooms. Hey. So slice them up a bit. It's easy done. Any leftovers of the mushroom, you just eat it. Mushroom's good for you. Vitamin B6 and a few of those other goodly things for you. You know. So, yeah, spread it out a little bit. Eat a bit of cheese. I like my Italian style, so I like my capers. Just a few here and there. Not everyone's into capers, but hey, like I said, you put whatever toppings on you want. This is an easy way to make yourself a yummy pizza. You don't have to go to Woolly, buy those frozen ones, or go to those takeaway places. Of course, I do like Kalamata olives. So sprinkle them around, a bit too much juice. The oven will sort that out. Couple over there. Wouldn't have minded some anchovies, but I don't have any of them either. Yeah, that should do the trick. You don't want it too overloaded. So remember, it's just a matter of cheesing it up the top. Oh yeah, baby. Melted cheese. Ain't nothing better than melted cheese. And Troy, if you're ditching me, man, this is what you miss out on. Ha ha ha, Mr. Jarrett. I know my mate Kirby would love it. And even Mr. Wilson. There we go. How does that look? It'll look even shitloads better when it comes out of the oven, which I've already preheated. Did it properly this time, eh? But my oven, I might have to put it in the next shelf down. Get rid of this shit that's in here. That shelf is a bit, there we go. Chuck it in there. In like Flynn. So what I've got to do is just pack my shit away while that's cooking. I managed to remember to buy Glad Wrap today. Actually, I'll use a sandwich bag, eh? Yeah, I've got a messy frickin' cupboard. So, anyway. Put that away. That in the bin. Well, that's all cooking away. Put that up there, I think. Put my capers in, put my olives in. I'll have to Glad Wrap me mince up. Have to Glad Wrap. I'll eat me. Nothing wrong with a bit of tasty mushroom. How the hell do I open this bloody thing? There we go. Almost looks, turkey mince almost looks like mince of the brain. It's just not quite thingo enough for that though. I will get into eating that in the next few days. I'll put it up in the cool room at the top. Up there with my drumsticks. Because what I'll be doing later, boys and girls, is making up some chicken fry. Spicy style, that is. So I'll save that bit of, yeah, overkill, I know. Put my Eat Up barbecue sauce away. Put my Glad Wrap away. Meanwhile, I'll turn that fair. Yeah, it's starting to fucking melt up real nice, eh? Messy, 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 messy. Eat some more. So, yeah, it's an easy lunch, easy dinner. Anybody can cook. Look, no mess. They make multiple pieces of that. Probably need a plate for me to put it on to eat it. Looking good already, eh? Keep the oven cool, hot. So, I'll turn you guys off for a minute, if I can find the off button. And when it's ready, I'll be talking to you again. Well, that should be all cooked now. And yeah, I've done it again, eh? It's really bad when I do that, eh? I go to record this show and I leave the bloody TV on. There we go, nice and quiet. So, I'll use this to swap it over. Use my big knife. That's a knife. Oh, it's sizzling. Oh yeah, baby. This is the stuff, hey. Oh, turn it off now. There we go, awesome. Freaking hell, I wish I could cook this in the crib room at work. I wouldn't let Troy have any though. Nah, he's not being nice to me. There we go. One pizzeria. Bellissimo. So, yes, easy to cook your own pizza. Put whatever toppings on you want. And go for it, man. I probably should have a proper pizza cutter, eh? That'd probably help a bit better than doing it this way, but I will work my way through it. This easy lunch, easy peasy. I'm not sure about how those chilies are gonna go, but anyway, a bit juicy too. I probably let a bit of the juice of the olive. I probably should have drained the olives first, but hey, no big deal. So, you guys have a good day. I'm going to say goodbye now because I'm going to get this down my gizzard. So, don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. Hasta la vista, baby.